Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to create a Win32 app in the Intune and how to use the Microsoft Win32 content prep tool. So to add the app in Intune, a Win32 app, first you need to create a Intune Vim file. Then only you can add it to the Intune portal. So if I go to apps and try to add a Windows app Win32, and select, you can see that it only takes Intune Win file. So let's see how to create this Intune Win file using content prep tool. So to get the content prep tool, you can move to this page and click this URL. And from here, you can download the zip file. I have already downloaded it. So it's already in my system. Now for Win32 app, we have different file types. You may have .exe, like I have both the application types. One is exe and other is MSI. I will show you the exe and MSI both. So if I go to this VLC media and right click and check the properties, as you can see, it's .exe file type, and I have another application. If I go here and check the properties, so it's the MSI Windows installer type. So we will see how to add both types of apps, Win32 apps, to Intune. So without further ado, let's begin. So this content prep tool is a command line tool. So to use that, once you have downloaded this app, you need to, okay, it is downloaded here. I have extracted it. If you click this zip file, you get an option to extract all. So I have already extracted this, and it's in the downloads. So this is the extracted file. So what I will do, I will go to command prompt. We'll run it as an administrator and navigate to this path where this extracted file is there. So I can copy this. Okay, so this is the tool, content prep tool. Now it will ask you to please specify the source folder. So make sure that you create a separate folder where there is only the application related contents are present. So I have downloaded this 7-zip 64 bits and I have created a new folder in my C drive by the name zip double P. So what I will do, I will go here and specify that folder. Make sure there is no other file or content present here. Okay, now it will ask you to specify the setup file. So setup file is same. You need to take this name and also mention the application type. Now it will ask me to specify the output folder. Okay, let's suppose I have specified the output folder here. If you check in my C drive, there is no such folder by that name. Now, if I hit enter, it will ask me if you want to create this. I will simply select Y. You can go with N. Okay, so it is done now. If I go again to my C drive, I will see that I have a new folder created by name ZI triple P. So, and you can see the file is intune.win. Okay, now it can be added to the Intune admin center. Before I go to the Intune admin center, let's now see how to create the Intune win from .exe. So I have a exe file there, which is VLC media. So I will go back here and will again call this tool, which is there in the downloads folder. Okay. Okay, asking me to specify the source folder. So the name is VLC media setup file. I will go back and copy the setup file name. Okay. Now here you have to mention that it's .exe. Hit enter. Now it will ask you to specify the output folder. So I can create one output folder again. VLC. Again, same thing. Y. So it's doing it. This is also done. So now if I go back to the C drive, I have zip, I have VLC media both. If you check, this is also a Intune win file. Now there is a difference in how you can add the .exe file and .msi file, which we will see in the Intune admin center. First, I will go with the MSI file. MSI files are easier to add because it will auto-populate all the command lines, install commands and uninstall commands from the package itself. But in case of VLC media, which is .exe file, you will have to mention it manually there. So we will see. Let's first go with the MSI one. So I will select the package file. So it's in the C drive. I will go with the zip file first. Okay. You can see that it has accepted it. Okay. Most of the options are auto-filled. Just give it a name. You can add other information if you like. Go next. As you can see, install command is already filled. Uninstall command is already filled in. So basically, you don't have to do anything. In case of MSI, it will auto-detect all the settings. Install behavior for system. Like it doesn't matter. It will get installed. It will remain installed for all the users who log into that system. Go next. You can set the requirements like minimum operating system or something. Architecture 64-bit. You can select like minimum operating system version as per your business requirements. See, it also detects the detection rule. If there are different detection method, MSI file type, that MSI product code, it will if the application will find the same product code in your system, it will not install this because that's already present. Or you can use the file system or registry, anything. If you go with the file, you will have to mention it. With the MSI, it auto picks it. With registry, it will auto. You need to mention the path. So that's the easy one, MSI. Okay. You can set the dependencies if you want to install any other app. Before installing this app, you can add that app in here. I can add the VLC as a dependency. So it will first install the VLC on the system, then it will install the 7-zip. Supersedence, I have created another video how to use this feature, supersedence, and you can go through that to understand it better. It's a use topic in itself. Now you can assign it to your users or devices. So that is done. So we have successfully created the 7-zip. Now I will go for the VLC media, which is .exe type. So this is the exe. Open it, got uploaded. As you can see, this field is blank in here. So to get this install command, you might have to go to the this application official website to get that, or you can find it by testing on one of your machine and see if that install commands work. Or for most of the apps, this works. I will show you. So this application name .exe and quite, if you can use this command line to install it. I have tested it, it works. So I will go to the Intune admin center and I will put this command line here. Okay, to get the uninstall command, you can also refer this article or go to the official website of this application. There you can find this, or you can also use the help switch to find it out in the command line tool. Let me for the uninstall, it's better to install this application on one of your test system and navigate to this path. HK local machine software, Microsoft Windows, current version, uninstall, and look for the product ID. Okay, and this is the uninstall string you can use in your. Okay, so I will try and copy this. If you have this media VLC media installed on your system, you can copy it from there. I think it's not for VLC. Mm, okay, this is the uninstall string for VLC media player. So you can use this uninstall.exe command line here by specifying the file type. So this will do. Go next, select these values, detection rule. You can use any of these values. I can again take the help of registry. If I say this key exists, value name key path, or I can simply go with the file system. So this is how you can create a .exe file in the Intune Admin Center. So that's all for creating and adding a Win32 app into the Intune using the content prep tool. So now I will conclude this video and I will come up with my next video very soon. Thanks for your time. Bye-bye.